Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to get more likes on Instagram for free. Go to tags for likes. Click on it. Now scroll down and find the tags right here. You copy them.
You want it?
Copy them, and then when you post a photo on Instagram, paste the likes on it. So, yeah. Peace.